guys, it's his birthday, and of course we're gonna spend it in Mpumalanga together. Let's go. Finally, the day has arrived, bafazi. Po.
Molweni bantase, vacation lento. Let's go.
Of course, we started at work because it was on Friday. Kumele kusetshenzwe bafazi kuqala angithi. But as soon as we knocked off, guys, nirisatware, usantwara ntlugele. Yo besingabambeki, we headed straight to the venue, guys. We were supposed to check in at 2 o'clock, but we ended up arriving around 4 or 5. As soon as we opened that door, yo, guys, our hearts melted, same time, same place, right on the spot, Kesana. Guys, the place was so beautiful. We couldn't wait to do the OOTD of the place and see what does this place offers for us. Then we went to the bathroom. Their bathroom is very tiny, very cozy, but we didn't mind. That was exactly what we needed anyway. Then we went outside. When we were going, guys, I know I said I don't like artwork, but what is this, guys? I'm just a girl. I'm allowed to change my mind every minute. And then, guys, we were just checking the place. Sana, we're like, yo, we're gonna enjoy. That was when we realized that we are very hungry, actually. We started checking places around us, and then finally we found this one, and we went straight to order, and then we came back. It was bedtime. Following day, guys, this is the day. I've asked this other lady to do her job and the magic yakhe son, while I distracted him by going to the mall, siyothenga izinto, and also to eat out so that the lady can be busy doing her things. Please stay tuned for part 2. Love you.
Surprise!